All right, good morning everyone. Today we are out at French Point Lighthouse on the eastern shore of Nova Scotia, and it's quite a cool place. Little remote, but maybe about a 30 or 40 minute drive from Halifax. But if you want to come see it, it's actually on private property. So you either got to stop into their house and ask, or they put a sign with their phone number you can call and get permission to come up here. Really nice lady answered the phone. She said no problem, head on up, but definitely don't just drive up here without asking permission. And it's quite a nice little place. A lot of birds around. Haven't seen too much of anything else, but a lot of ocean shorebirds. All right, we'll go up, check out this hill, see this lighthouse. Not sure on the age of it. There wasn't a ton of information about it online. All right, here we are. We're up on this little hill, still at French Point Lighthouse. Just wanted to show you the scenery. Quite a stunning place, really. All right, so I think maybe we'll try out the drone. Just got a brand new drone, so maybe we'll try to get some footage with that, and we'll see how that goes. And I just want to show you something right quick. There's tons of crab shells all over the place, and they're all by these rocks. So I'm assuming the birds must pluck them out of the shore and the water and bring them up here and dine on them, because the place is littered with crab shells all over the place. All right, guys, so we made it down to Taylor Head Provincial Park down on the eastern shore. Probably about an hour and 20 minutes or so outside of Halifax, and it's a pretty awesome beach, full of seaweed here at the moment. It is October, so probably not being maintained as much as it would be in the summer, but it's a stunning view. I also got to get the drone up, so we got some shots from the drone, and yeah, you can see the seaweed is all over the place. And there's a crab here. Where did that crab go? Ah, here he is. All the bugs are on it, but yeah, there's a crab. And yeah, lots of different seaweed. There's trails all through here. It's quite a nice place, actually. Definitely worth a trip out. And it's still relatively mild. I think it's going to be about 18 degrees Celsius today, which isn't too bad for halfway through October. We've made it up to the town of Harbour, and it was founded sometime in the 1780s, mostly from loyalist and British veterans from the American Revolution War. And there's it's a beautiful river with some falls up here. There's a little boardwalk. I think we'll go down there and check that out. And just walk. This is the tourist information site here. Quite a pretty place. And they have a big port somewhere close to here where container ships come in and stuff. And here's the information center and museum, which is closed now because we're at the middle of October. So that's all closed. And here's a cool totem pole right here. And it looks like you can get onto the boardwalk up here. So we'll go do that. Oh wow, yeah. It's pretty cool. So they have this cool little tiny little boardwalk that comes down from the tourist bureau, and there's this footbridge here and you can view the falls. Nice little spot, definitely worthwhile coming down to check out. Now we'll head back up, we'll grab the drone, and then we'll see what kind of shots we can get from that, and then we'll head up to Sober Island Brewing, grab some craft beer and some lunch. All right, so we made it up to Sober Island Brewing here in Sheet Harbour, and it's in quite a nice location, as you can see. Got the body of water, the hills, all the trees. Anyways, I'll just show you a couple. I picked up a couple beer, and this one's Best Black. It's an oyster stout, 6.1%. Sounds pretty good. And I also got Beachstone Bitter, and that's at 5.1%, and it's a bitter ale. So definitely, if you're in Sheet Harbour, check out Sober Island Brewing. It's right on the main drag. Can't miss it. All right, so we're just on our way back into the city, and we stopped at this place here called Ralph's Downeast Diner. Just grabbing a burger before heading back into the city from the Eastern Shore. Definitely a cool little spot to check out. Good burgers. I got this kind of cool old car, and then this massive throne here. Then I got this mermaid, and she's following all the COVID protocols, got her mask on. So yeah, if you're ever down this way, definitely check out Ralph's. Definitely worthwhile stopping in here. I'm not exactly sure of the address, but I'll definitely put that in, and then you can always look for the axe stuck in the telephone pole over there. But yeah, I'll throw the address up on the bottom of the screen. All right, so we just got our burgers here at Ralph's Diner, and here you go. Pretty decent looking burgers. So we're gonna get into these, and I'm sure they're wonderful. We'll see you later.